Hello Salesforce enthusiasts, welcome to Be Tech Ninja, your journey from novice to ninja in tech. Get ready for an immersive exploration into the essentials of Apex programming as we tackle 10 fundamental questions that form the backbone of Salesforce development. From variable declaration and data types to advanced topics like batch Apex and governor limits, this video series is your comprehensive guide to mastering key concepts in Apex. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, join us on this journey as we answer 10 critical questions, each unraveling a layer of Apex programming intricacies. Let's delve into the world of Salesforce development and unlock the power of Apex together. Welcome to the first question in our Apex Programming Essentials series. Today we're diving into the fundamental concept of variable declaration and data types in Apex. Understanding how to declare variables and work with different data types is a cornerstone of effective Salesforce development. Let's get started. Question: how do you declare a variable in Apex? Variables are fundamental building blocks in programming, allowing us to store and manipulate data. In Apex, you declare a variable by specifying its data type followed by the variable name. Data types can include primitives like integer, Boolean, and string, or user-defined types like custom objects. In Apex, you can declare a variable using the following syntax. Please take a look at the code sample. This example declares an integer variable named demo variable and assigns it the value 10. The data type, integer in this case, indicates the type of data the variable can hold. In the next question, we're delving into the world of equality operators in Apex. The distinctions between use and gane are critical for accurate comparisons in your code. Join us as we unravel the nuances of equality operators and their significance in Salesforce development. Question: explain the difference between AKs and IDAs in Apex. The facets operator checks for equality in values, while APIs checks for equality in both values and data types. Here's an example. The next question takes us into the realm of maps in Apex. Maps are powerful for storing key value pairs, a common requirement in programming. Join us as we explore the map data type, its applications, and how it enhances your capabilities as a Salesforce developer. Question: what is the purpose of the map data type in Apex? The map data type in Apex is used to store a collection of key value pairs. Here's an example. In this example, demo map is a map with keys of type string and values of type integer. The put method adds a key value pair, and the get method retrieves the value associated with the specified key. In this question, we'll navigate through the importance of gracefully managing errors in your code. Understanding how to handle exceptions is crucial for building robust and reliable Salesforce applications. Let's uncover the best practices for effective exception handling. Question: how can you handle exceptions in Apex? Exception handling in Apex is crucial for gracefully managing errors. Apex uses a try-catch block to handle exceptions. The try-catch block allows you to execute code that might throw an exception and handle it appropriately. Here's an example. In this example, if an exception occurs within the try block, it is caught and the catch block is executed. The getMessage method retrieves the error message. In the next question, our focus is on SOQL queries in Apex. If you're curious about retrieving data from Salesforce objects using Apex, you're in the right place. Join us as we explore the power of SOQL queries and how they play a pivotal role in interacting with Salesforce data. Question: explain the usage of SOQL in Apex. SOQL, Salesforce Object Query Language in Apex, enables the retrieval of records from Salesforce objects. It's a powerful tool for accessing and manipulating data. Here's an example. In this example, a SOQL query is used to retrieve a list of account records with specific fields, name and industry, and a condition where industry AKES technology. In the next question, we'll explore the world of triggers and their role in responding to database events. Whether you're new to triggers or looking to refine your skills, Join us as we walk through the creation of an Apex trigger and discuss best practices. Question: how do you write a trigger in Apex? Apex triggers are code snippets that execute before or after records are inserted, updated, or deleted in Salesforce. They enable the automation of processes based on database events. Here's an example. In this example, a trigger named demo trigger is defined on the account object to execute before records are inserted. Asynchronous processing awaits in this question. We're delving into the future annotation in Apex, a powerful tool for handling tasks asynchronously. Whether it's performing long-running operations or optimizing performance, understanding asynchronous processing is key. Let's uncover the possibilities together. Question: what is the purpose of the iFuture annotation in Apex? Asynchronous processing in Apex, denoted by the iFuture annotation, allows methods to run independently in the background. This is beneficial for executing time-consuming tasks without impacting user experience. Here's an example. In this example, the demo async method is annotated with iFuture, allowing it to run asynchronously. The next question brings us to the realm of job scheduling in Apex. If you're interested in automating tasks at specific times, you're in for a treat. Join us as we explore the intricacies of scheduling jobs using System Schedule and discuss how it enhances the efficiency of your Salesforce applications. Question: how can you schedule a job to run at a specific time in Apex? Scheduled jobs in Apex enable the automation of tasks at specific times. The System Schedule method is used for scheduling, providing flexibility in execution timing. Here's an example. In this example, a job named Demo Scheduled Job is scheduled to run daily at midnight, and it will execute the Demo Scheduled class. In the next question, we're unraveling the power of Batch Apex. If you've ever dealt with large datasets in Salesforce, understanding batch processing is essential. Join us as we guide you through the creation of a batch class and explore best practices for efficient data processing. Question: explain the use of Batch Apex in Salesforce. Batch Apex is designed for processing large datasets in smaller, manageable chunks. It allows developers to handle data efficiently, avoiding governor limits. Here's an example. In this example, a batch class named Demo Batch Class implements the database batchable interface, defining the logic to process data in batches. Welcome to the final question in our Apex Programming Essentials series. In today's last question, we'll be delving into the realm of HTTP callouts in Apex, a crucial aspect for integrating Salesforce with external services, systems, or APIs. As organizations increasingly rely on interconnected systems, understanding how to make HTTP requests directly from Apex becomes paramount. Whether you're fetching data from an external API or sending information to another platform, mastering HTTP callouts opens up a world of possibilities for your Salesforce applications. Question: how can you make a REST callout in Apex? You can use the HTTP and HTTP request classes to make REST callouts in Apex. Here's an example. In this example, a GET request is made to HTTPS api.example.com, and the response is stored in the HTTP response variable. Congratulations, Salesforce developers, on completing our Apex Programming Essentials series. We've covered a multitude of fundamental concepts, from variable declaration and data types to advanced topics like Batch Apex and governor limits. As you embark on your journey to master Apex programming, remember that continuous practice and exploration are key. We hope this series has provided you with a solid foundation and inspired you to delve even deeper into the dynamic world of Salesforce development. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in future learning adventures. Comment below if you have any requests and suggestions. Subscribe now to BTech Ninja with us.